The age-old question. Can you fit 37s on a stock fill-in-the-blank vehicle? I don't know. That's not what we're doing today. 37s? Are you crazy? Ain't nobody got time for that. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Varsity Overland channel, and today I am at Northeast ORV in Portland, Connecticut, finally getting Goose a new pair of shoes. I am so excited. In case you hadn't noticed, I've found a way to mention this event in the past like 10 videos. New wheels, new tires, new springs in the front, new leafs in the back. It's going to be a little taller. It's going to look so good. I can't wait to share the transition with you guys. The transformation hopefully will be epic. And yeah, it's just, I'm over the moon right now. So if you want to know what the wheels and tires are, because I probably asked that question like, you know, a dozen times at this point, you're just going to have to wait a few more seconds. But in the meantime, I'm going to take a nap in this 23-0 tent. So time for a montage. Cue the epic music. Wait. No. I said epic music. Epic music, not whatever that was. Boring elevator music. Man. All right, let's try again. Bye, old tire. See you never. Oh, good. We got the sticker. Worth it. Don't even have to install the springs now. As long as we have a sticker, everything's okay.
Not bad.
This brief intermission is brought to you by Jeremy from AT4 Overland Bound. We have to take a ride to the hardware store because the bolt that was on top of my shocks, on top of my springs was so rusted. No? The bolt that was on top of what?
The strut.
The strut. That's what I said. I said that.
Yeah, exactly.
Totally. It's all the same.
It's all the same.
It was rusted so badly that they had to use an induction heater to get it off. So we're going to pick up a few more. Now, back to our regular scheduled program. These Eibach springs look so good. I had to give them some attention because they're gonna be covered up by our new wheels and tires in a minute. But it's kind of like when you get new socks. You know what they feel like. You know they're brand new. You enjoy them, but when you put your shoes on, nobody else can tell. So here's the new springs. All right, we're stepping outside for a second. It is really loud in there, but there's a reason why you go with a shop like Northeast Off-Road Vehicles, because these guys, they don't mess around, and they're good people, you know. So why am I saying this? Well, we are putting the wheels and tires together. We're getting them on the truck, and you know, the question came up, do the lug nuts from the previous wheels work on the new ones? And I thought to myself, I hadn't even thought about that. Did not even cross my mind. And on top of that, the lug nuts from the previous wheels they're silver or chrome or whatever you want to call it, and it wouldn't even look good on the bronze wheels. So it turns out that the old ones don't even fit, right? So John, the owner, what does he do? Hops on the computer, orders up exactly what I need. They'll be here in an hour, right? Instead of going to a shop where you don't know the people, you have no idea if they're gonna mess around with you and kind of like just trying to squeeze you for money, you come to a place like this and they get the job done like that. So slight hiccup. Unfortunately, the extra leaf will not work in the back of the truck because that extra leaf was designed to be an out leaf for a standard Chevy Colorado or even like a Colorado Z71. But I have the ZR2, so the leafs are a little different in the back because it does in fact have a different load rating than the standard Chevy Colorado. So luckily, there is an extra Icon Vehicle Dynamics spacer block that these guys have here at the shop, thanks to another build, aka Jeremy's build, AT4 Overland Bound. If I haven't put his tag up here yet or over here yet, I always get it wrong. I don't know what side it appears on, but go check out his channel so you can see his build. He ended up going with an Eibach block in the back for his, so that's kind of funny. I've got Eibach springs now in the front with an Icon block in the back, and he has the opposite. He's got Icons in the front with the Eibach in the back. So anyway, that's kind of a tongue twister. So let's go take a look. Look at that. Look how far out it sticks. Oh my gosh. It looks so much better than the old ones. All right, folks, well, that's going to be it for this video. I am so excited, in case you couldn't tell, to finally get these wheels and tires on the vehicle. I have no idea what they're like off-road yet. I'm going to go test them out and put up a video hopefully next week about that experience. If you're interested in the old setup, my Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax that I had, which were stock from the Colorado ZR2, I put up a video last week. You can go check that out. It's my 50K review of those tires. These tires are slightly bigger, just enough to say that I've gained a little bit of height. So my old ones were 265 65s. These are 265 70s. So overall, they're an inch taller, but I'm only going to get a ½ inch of lift because of, you know, dynamics and the way everything works there. Anyway, thanks for sticking around, people. I hope you enjoyed the video. I can't wait to put these things to use, and I'll see you next time. Peace.